In this video, I am going to tell you how you can remove background in Photoshop in less than 1 minute. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So as you can see on my screen, it's a photo of a man, and in order to remove the background, what you need to do is you need to unlock the layer and just select it, and after that you need to select help and then select Photoshop help, and a dialog box like this will pop on your screen. Now you need to go on quick actions and just select remove background and hit apply. So Photoshop has analyzed the object and removed the background accordingly. So you can revert it by clicking on this button. Let me close this box. So as you can see, the selection is not precise enough, but you can use this when you need to create something and you don't have the time to make selection. So you can use this technique in order to remove the background. If you like this video, please smash that like button and make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys.